Hi there, students. An edict. An edict, a countable noun. This is the announcement of a law, an official decree. Okay, so an official order. A decree, an order of law that has been published. So the dictator issued an edict against more than 3 people meeting in a public place. You could have a religious edict. The Pope issued an edict that this should not be done anymore, a proclamation. But then we use this more figuratively to say an order that's given in a very forceful and unfair way. So the teacher has issued an edict against chewing gum in class, for example. Okay, so you're saying it's like an official order. Yeah, and by using it metaphorically, you're saying it's like it has the force of law. Yeah, it's an official order issued by a person in authority, or as if they were a person in authority, an order, a command. So we we followed grandmother's edicts to the letter because she got really angry otherwise. Okay, so an edict, a law, an act of parliament, an order, yeah, any formal authoritative command, yeah, or a proclamation. Somebody says that you've got to do it like this. The council issued an edict that people could not use hose pipes. I guess a hose pipe ban is an edict. It's a proclamation having the force of law. Yeah, but you can also use it metaphorically to suggest that somebody is acting like a dictator. Yeah. Mother issued an edict that we had to take off our shoes before coming into the house. Yeah, no matter how bad our feet smelt. And this is the idea of an edict. It's a law. Yeah. Maybe you'll find an edict is a piece of paper that's been pinned to all the posts so that now everybody knows the law. Or very often edicts are published in an official communication. Okay, edict, formality. If you're talking about a law, I think 6.5 to 7 in formality. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. If you're using this to suggest that somebody is acting like a dictator and ordering everybody about, then I think you can definitely use this in an informal conversation. So it depends on the use. If it's a real official edict, then it's more formal. Yeah, if you're using it in a more subtle way, then it's not. And then as to origin, it comes from the Old French edit, E-D-I-T, which comes from Latin a dictum, ex, out from, and dico, to say. Edico, to declare, to announce, to decree. Yeah, so from what somebody has said, it's the official handing out of what somebody has said. Okay, so an edict. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. It's not an edict. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Edict.